Welcome to the Unit Company TOGAF Standard eLearning. In this quick introduction of the learning system, we will guide you through the most essential parts to make you navigate the system. Let's take an overview of the different parts in the window. On the top, there is the pull-down menu containing all the different materials inside this course. You can select a part and it will automatically start. When you are in a part of the training and you want to skip to another part, use this menu. So we can jump from the training to, for instance, a Level 2 practice test question and back. When you are inside the TOGAF course, it is possible to navigate within that course by using the menu inside the course. The Resources pull-down shows the materials you can access. The organization of the TOGAF material in this course is set up in such a way that it is corresponding with the TOGAF framework. That way, it is easy to fully understand the framework and also easy to find information back inside the book. In the full version of our course, these 6 parts will be discussed. In this free version, we will give you one for free. For the practice questions, there are a couple of questions here for free. The full version will give you a large set of practice questions both for the foundation and certified exams. These are of the same style and level as the real exam.